How old are you?
4.
4 years old. And did you have a good night?
My balloon popped.
Your balloon popped, so does that mean you had a good night? No. What'd you do when your balloon popped?
I flew away.
Any other reactions?
No. I got Stella.
Did you start crying?
Yeah, I bumped my head on my closet.
You bumped your head in the closet?
And she danced.
Yeah. Did you guys dance together?
She jumped!
Did you guys dance together?
Good job jumping!
Do you want to dance one more time?
Yeah.
Okay, you both are going to dance?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go. Lily, are you dancing?
Are you guys gonna dance? Stella, can you dance?
I can't see. I see that.